Hi, I'm Joe, live with my cat Macchou. Today I'm making Ghanaian Jollof rice requested by LXZ Beth-san. Now, can I pull off Ghanaian Jollof rice? I found that some recipes top it with chicken, so I'm adding that too. LXZ Beth-san always leaves me the warmest messages. This looks so delicious, or I'm going to try making this. Those comments truly make my day. Thank you so much. They also use thank you so much. That's my catchphrase. It makes me so happy. For me, Ghana means one thing. Ghana chocolate is a famous Japanese chocolate in a red box. My mom actually sent me some in her care package. This one is yellow because it's rich milk, a slightly different variety. Jollof rice probably calls for a different rice than Japanese rice, but I'm using the rice mom sent me anyway. I'm also going to use some of mom's vegetables from the care package, onions and more. Actually, LXZ Bessan was really surprised when they saw me use sugar in the chicken dish. It made me realize just how different our food cultures can be. Anyway, LXZ Bessan, everyone, please watch and see how I do. Let's make Ghanaian Jollof rice. The recipe calls for blending lots of vegetables, but I don't have a blender, so I grated everything by hand. What a workout! Done! How beautiful! So delicious! The rice is packed with onion, tomato, bell pepper, and spices. I had no idea you could cook rice this way. I've never made such a colorful rice dish before. The chicken goes perfectly with it too. I also added quail eggs. I saw someone use them in a photo online, and they happened to be in Mom's care package too. I never imagined I would make Ghanaian food in my life. This is all thanks to LXD Beth-san. Since I started making videos, so many of you have introduced me to new dishes, and I'm so grateful for that. Just cooking, just eating, just happy. I hope this video brings you a little relaxation and joy. I'm having the best time every single day, thanks to all of you. Leave your requests in the comments. I'd love to cook your dish next. And finally, a special thank you, Yelmu-san from Scotland, Dr. Star-Fry-san from the US. Thanks to you, I've slowly started connecting with people from all around the world. Thank you for enjoying watching me cook. One day, I hope to taste the real things too. I know this is probably nothing like the real thing back in Ghana, but honestly, it was so delicious. Someday, I really hope I can travel to all of your places and taste the real thing for myself. That's my dream. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. I post short videos every day, go live regularly, and uploading long videos about twice a week, so stay tuned. I hope you have a wonderful day today too. See you next time.